Come on. Beardo.
Yeah.
I never got to meet the
Oh, he's not here.
Yeah, he's not here. He's not here.
He sent this for the messenger.
All right, so this is courtesy of the Wolverines and Golden State Threads. These are limited edition cotton twill jerseys, same as the old school Renegade stuff. They will wear in, really good stuff. So, and we wanted to come out here and donate to give back to the community for having us here and putting on a really good tournament or a really good game.
Ready.
Oh, and there's a
Oh, and it comes with this really awesome.
That's
Brotherhood one, right?
yeah, that's our Brotherhood paintball team headband.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
We got some stickers in here so you can share the love with your homies.
Yeah.
7330. 7330.
Oh,
Are you serious?